So there was one book which is available online. It is presented by Dr. Siro, and it contains 111 clinical cases of Professor James Tyler Kent. The name is like that, 111 clinical observations of Dr. James Tyler Kent. So there is this one case of menorrhagia. I'll read as it is, because I don't want to interpret anything.
I
from
agree.
my
I
own.
agree.
So there is one case of menorrhagia. A 31-year-old on the day of her marriage seized with uterine hemorrhage from the excitement. Large clots mixed with bright red liquid flow, copious, has a sickly face with a tendency to sore throats on taking cold, which also makes glands of her neck enlarged. Feet always feels cold and damp. Stockings always feel damp. That means she's having profuse perspiration on feet. Sour taste in the morning, sour eructation, constipation, going many days without stool. That means there is habitual constipation. Sadness, weeping, perspires much and easily. So, based on all these symptoms, he prescribed Calcarea carb 13M. He repeated twice, then shifted it to CM, again repeated twice, and in 4 months, patient was cured. So you can see the way he has analyzed the case. So there is characteristic causative emotional modality available, but still he has considered the entire totality of the patient, and after taking into account of that, he has prescribed a final remedy. So what what you can do as a retrospective study, now if you are going back to Kent's repertory, female genitalia, menses, copious, excitement from, check that rubric, Calcarea carb 3 marks, single remedy will be there. What I am trying to say in this particular case is, see, many a times it happens that we get causative emotional modalities, okay, and it is habit of our mind that if it is mental, we'll just go and check mind chapter of the Kent repertory or
True.
any repertory.
True.
We won't even go into finding on any other sector or any other chapter whether the rubric is available or not. But now in this case also, if you are seeing that excitement after, right, that causative modality is there, if you go back to mind chapter, it is already available, excitement emotional elements from, almost 40 remedies are there in the mind chapter, and you can see vis-a-vis in female genitalia only single one remedy.